It is March 15th. It is the night before we leave for Puerto Rico. I'm leaving, am I leaving at 3:30 in the morning?
Yep.
That's going to be fun. We're waiting on Nat and Preston to come in. And I'm leaving with them at like 3:30 in the morning, and then Alex will be joining us. His flight is at 7 tomorrow evening.
I have work all day.
You know, fun stuff. The life of the employed. We've just finished packing, so these are our two personal item bags. And we've got a little pile of like extra t-shirts and stuff that we're taking just in case. I was gonna take a pair of jeans. That's what I need to add in there. These jeans. We're gonna take just in case it's cold or it rains or whatever.
It's gonna be fun.
It is gonna be fun. I'm very excited. Okay, we'll see you in the morning. I'm all packed. Matt and Preston are getting ready. I've also just realized that I only have 40% battery, so I need to figure out a way to charge my battery. I should have charged it overnight, but I thought it was fully charged. We're leaving. This queue is insane.
Next stop, gates 1 through 29.
We're through.
Mañana es su
We went from 10 to how many are we on now?
7.
From 10 to 7. We're doing good.
Okay, we'll be 12.
The rest will join us later. We got our bags, so let's go. Everybody say hi. Who's in the front trying to direct us? We have mountains. Yeah, this is Puerto Rico, everybody. Look at this. We are in Puerto Rico. This is our Airbnb. We've just stopped by to drop off our bags because it's not going to be ready for a few more hours. So I think we're going to go to the beach. We've all got swimsuits on anyway, so I'm assuming we're going to the beach. Nat's getting ready. Preston is walking down there doing something. And everyone else is in the house changing. So look at this view. It's gorgeous and I'm very glad our Airbnb has such a gorgeous view.
Por aquí como Omar o algo, pero este todavía. Sí.
We got some mojitos. It is stunning. This is our Airbnb. I love that light. Oh, look, the Wi-Fi password. You got a little up there. We'll go up there later. Look at this. There's an elevator.
Makes sense.
I haven't slept in the mirror. I put up off y'all. I want to take slow.
I want this mirror. What's down there?
Oh,
Bathroom?
wow.
Is that a holy heck?
Wow. Wait a second. I told you. Oh.
Another bedroom. And a bathroom.
Smart.
Also, I like that painting. Is that a door?
Oh, another bed.
What?
No way.
Okay, there's 3 beds in here.
Somebody actually.
Oh, Nat, come here.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. That shower looks amazing.
Damn.
That's one of the ones that has the multiple jets.
What?
I want to use that shower.
I was saying, I didn't know there was another room, but this is the one that I was saying would be cool if, like, but I don't know.
Oh my god.
Yeah, there's another bed in there.
So this
There's
is
3
like
bedrooms.
3 bedrooms.
Another bedroom.
Yeah.
What the heck?
It's upstairs.
This is so cute.
Nat is conducting our
Lights
Airbnb
are off.
tour.
I need the lights. Also the AC needs
Another bedroom. Did you say it's a sauna?
No, it looks like with the door. Look, doesn't it look like a sauna?
But you said that and I saw that like little ledge there and I was like, oh!
What is this? Oh, is this the elevator?
That's, that shower has the jets too.
What?
And this is a balcony with a sink for some reason.
Yeah.
But some little chairs. I want to see the view from there in the morning. Let's keep going. Oh, I'm losing my shirt.
There's like bedrooms on bedrooms on bedrooms on bedrooms on bedrooms.
How many bedrooms does this place have?
It's removed. The remote is on the light, I think.
Another bedroom. Wait, hold on. Wait, where does that lead then? There's an iron in there if anyone needs it. No, I saw a door here. And I was wondering where it leads.
Pero yo creo que es closer to esta.
That one, yeah.
I think it's closer. What is that? Closer, yeah.
Oh,
Oh my god, one more closer like that.
washing machines?
No, closer, one more closer like that.
I know, that's amazing. Is there stairs to get downstairs or? Is there stairs to get downstairs?
I have no idea.
That's where we were earlier. That's where all our stuff is.
Oh.
Just in case. I'm just trying to see a staircase somewhere. It's not going to be in the bathroom.
John.
What's through that door? Is there anything? Oh. And there's no staircase like out here?
How do you get downstairs?
I feel like the only way is to either take the elevator or walk. Sorry. Okay, we're gonna try the elevator. You said it works level 1 and 2, right? And not 3. That was the issue.
I think so. I think it doesn't work.
Sí, sí, vamos al 1 y subimos las maletas para el 3, John.
Okay, we're gonna go get the luggage. Georgia.
You gonna come join me?
Yeah, we're gonna get the luggage.
Come join me.
Okay.
We're gonna experience the elevator.
No, no, mucha gente. Monta la maleta y no van a...
You gotta close that one. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Bye bye. I hope we don't get stuck. I hate weird elevators.
That's how they are in, like, when we went to Rome. They're like
Really?
square, like they're old, but
Ooh. I didn't even notice this earlier. I forgot it was here.
okay. Ready?
Yep.
Oh wow!
Ta-da!
I mean, this is
Ooh.
like a brand new.
AC's on down here. Oh yeah, definitely been cleaned. There was literally hairs on the floor earlier. It was gross.
So they did clean this place up,
Yeah.
and there is a bed.
Yeah. Oh, there's only one bed. I thought there was 2.
Oh.